Nation Appreciation Week. Queen Quet and Supervisor Cribb, please join me at the podium. I'll be all right here. I'm 64 years old. A proclamation recognizing the importance of Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. Whereas throughout the history of Berkeley County, including and during the establishment of the county, Africans have offered incredible skill sets and knowledge. And whereas some of these Africans were those previously enslaved on numerous Carolina gold, rice, and indigo plantations in the region, and whereas the descendants of these Africans who still reside here are now called Gullah Geechee. I want you to know I'm one of them too. Thank you. And whereas a significant group of these Gullah Geechee people established family compounds, built spiritual institutions in the area where Emancipation Day celebrations still take place at the churches on January 1st, and still carry on the hunting tradition in the area. And whereas Queen Quet, who became the first Gullah Geechee in the world to speak before the United Nations on behalf of the Gullah Geechees, has previously been a keynote presenter in Mount Scorner at an Emancipation Day celebration. And whereas Queen Quet and Kwame Shai of All Mobile Productions co-founded the Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival, which moves to various parts of the Gullah Geechee Nation and the African diaspora each year to educate the world about and to celebrate the continuation of the Gullah Geechee traditions, and culminates with the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week. And whereas the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week launches at noon on July the 30th, 2022 on historic St. Helena Island, South Carolina, to celebrate this year's theme of Disha Who Would Be. Disha Who We Would Be. Disha We Be. Celebrating the Gullah Geechee living legacy. And to continue to honor and protect Gullah Geechee scarce areas and to support resilience and sustainability of the Gullah Geechee land. Now therefore be resolved by Berkeley County Council in a meeting duly assembled that Council hereby recognize the importance of the Gullah Geechee Nation Week in Berkeley County, adopted the 25th day of July 2022. Thank you. Could we have a group picture?
Sure.
Thank you.
You want to go right
Yes,
in front?
please.
Okay.
And just for edification, I did my DNA, CNN. I'm from West Africa.
Yeah.
And I'm building a place.
House for the Queen.
For the Queen. In Prom in West Africa, Ghana. I plan to put a Ferris wheel.
Ferris wheel?
Yeah.
You trying to be like England?
No, this is for the people. A place of happiness.
Beautiful.
Somebody lost their damn mind.
They got lost.
Hold on, back here.
All right, one more. Let's see if I can see everyone.
Can you see him?
Say Ghana.
Yeah, say Ghana.
Yeah,
Say
Ghana.
Gullah
One,
Geechee.
Gullah
two,
Geechee.
three.
Steve Dog.
All right.
Thank you.
Great.
And I just for share for edification, this area, please come. Please.
So thank you one more again, Berkeley County. I'm glad in my proclamation been on the agenda. Praise God for that. I want to say thank you, Mr. Chair, one more again. And to this county, I'm glad for the year one more again. I'm glad to be greeted with such honor every time I come up here this evening. The one the councilman tells me, say he glad I did and look forward for me there every year. And rather was this evening. I know this is a time, yeah, y'all remember this for sure. So I'm so glad for the year for true. And so as you heard in the proclamation, we will be launching Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week this coming Saturday on my home island, which is St. Helena Island, right down the creek shore, a little bit from you. All right, St. Helena Island down in Beaufort County. We'll be at the St. Helena Park starting at noon. The following Saturday, we will culminate in Bluffton, South Carolina, at the Bluffton Oyster Factory. No, in the oyster time, in the oyster time, no, so don't come there for that, all right? But we will have other Gullah Geechee cuisine at both events, and of course, music and crafts and the various things that most people come to this area looking for. All right, when they say they get about who we be down here and things like that, and now I correct him in who we could have been, who we done. This is who we be. All right, and so we're going to continue to celebrate our Gullah Geechee living legacy, and I thank Berkeley County for doing that all these years, along with me, along with all of us who be Gullah Geechee. Now, what else you want to edify them with? Don't make the lawyer have to speak up again this evening.
No, I just said it covers the area from Brunswick, Georgia to Jackson.
No, Jacksonville to Jacksonville.
Jacksonville to Jacksonville.
Yeah, Jacksonville, North Kakalaki down to Jacksonville, Florida.
Thank you.
Yeah, and then some people are going across the big creek, like my mom and them call them, all the way back to the motherland.
All the way back to the motherland. Thank you,
yes,
sir.
Sir. All right,
Love
good
you.
to see
Love
y'all.
you.
Hope to see y'all there. Oh, and
Thank
if
you.
you want to keep up with the virtual parts of the celebration, follow GullahGeecheeNation.com or Gullah Geechee on Facebook, or at Gullah Geechee on Twitter and Instagram. We'll have virtual things being posted, including more education about our connections back to the motherland, as well as our connections throughout this coast, throughout the week. So thank you, Berkeley County.
Thank you.